Okay, so there is a feature in Perplexity called Model Console. So basically, instead of getting one answer from one AI model, you can ask multiple AI models at the same time, and then later you'll get the answer or the summary or the key takeaways from various different AI models that are available on the platform. And honestly, this feature is no-brainer. Perplexity has plenty of models to choose from, and also usually when you are using multiple models, you can get various perspectives, and sometimes it might fix some problems or oversights that might occur on other models. But there is one problem. Even though the feature should be a default capability on Perplexity, unfortunately, Model Console is not exactly a feature that you can enjoy right away. So here I'm using the pro version of Perplexity, but I'm not able to use the feature. If I click this plus button and then I want to use the Model Console feature, it tells me that I have to upgrade to the max version of Perplexity, which is basically 10 times more expensive than the monthly subscription of the Perplexity Pro. However, this is a Model Console thread that I created on Perplexity, and again, I never subscribed to the max plan on the platform, but I was able to utilize various models from the likes of ChatGPT, Gemini, and even Claude, and I got this nice answer where I can see how models would approach to my question or queries. So this is amazing, but at the same time, it feels illegal because, again, this feature is not supposed to be available for free and pro users, and yet, as you can see, I got the answer from Model Console. So this is a feature that may be accidental or intentional, or maybe both at the same time. So if you subscribe to the pro version of Perplexity, apparently there is a workaround, there is a way to enjoy the Model Console feature. And here's how. So let's navigate to the homepage of Perplexity, and here you can see that at the bottom of the text area, there is sort of menus or things that you can do with Perplexity. You can navigate to workflow, and then you can click something called Model Console. It should be down here, but if you don't see that, then you can navigate to this menu that says customize, but you can select workflows. And you can scroll down and find a tool called Model Console. And there you go, I can open it. And boom, this is Model Console. Again, I'm using the pro version, not the max variation of Perplexity, but I'm able to use it. So let's try something like, who's gonna win between XAI and OpenAI in the current legal battle? Okay, there is a sort of battle between Elon Musk and Sam Altman, and I want to know the AI opinions about this topic. So I'm going to use Sonnet and then Gemini and also GPT, let's say 5.5, latest model. And down here under additional settings, you can choose the depth of the AI analysis. I guess I'll just use the standard version. And for the output format, I guess I'll use PDF report, and you can add some extra instructions or maybe some formats that you prefer. So you can describe that down here, but if you don't have any more instructions or you don't have any particular specifics that you want AI to do, then you can start clicking this button that will trigger the Model Console. So this is actually a feature that is available under the Perplexity Computer tool. So that's just another tool that is available in the platform, and unlike the max subscription that forces you to pay $200 a month, Perplexity Computer can actually be top up even if you are using the pro version. So if you want to add more credits, you can navigate to perplexity.ai, and then you can navigate to Perplexity Computer, and then you can see the number or the amount of credits that you have left on your account, and you can open it. And if you want to add more credits, you can click add credits, and then you can select the amount of credits that you want to have on your account. I think $1 equals to let's say 100 credits, so $50 will get you 5,000 credits, and I think that's actually a lot more cheaper than subscribing to the max variation on Perplexity for the sake of getting the Model Console feature. And if you're just running Model Console sparsely, I think that could be a great option. So this is really strange because the pro users and the free users on Perplexity are not supposed to be able to use Model Console, but at the same time, it is a feature that we can access via Perplexity Computer. So it's really strange. It feels illegal and legal at the same time. And I don't know if this is just an oversight from Perplexity or this is indeed an intentional feature or workaround. But either way, at least I got this model console on my Pro subscription on the platform. Anyway, I'll just skip a word and I'll share the result in a second. Alright, so finally after about 6 minutes, I got the final result. It is a very long answer, but after analyzing the answers from various AI models, apparently, according to the council, the likely winner in this legal battle between xAI and OpenAI is apparently OpenAI. So, according to the conclusion here, the council's consensus is a split between OpenAI favorable book. OpenAI is favored in the direct xAI trade secret dispute. So, from my understanding from the basic answer here, apparently all the models slightly favor OpenAI. And out of curiosity, I actually tried to ask the same questions on Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude, and the answer is also the same. So Gemini favors OpenAI slightly more than xAI, and the same is true for ChatGPT. Now, it could be biased, but here at least we got other models that also agree with ChatGPT. OpenAI is the slightly more, it is the slightly more likely winner overall right now. Now, it says right now because we don't know much about what's going on, so we have to wait and see. But this is just the prediction based on the current knowledge. And the same sentiment is also shared by Claude AI. So I'm using the Sonnet 4.6. And yeah, the answer is OpenAI is in a stronger legal position than xAI. So I would say this is definitely an amazing feature on Perplexity. We don't have to use multiple AI platforms. We don't have to pay multiple AI services. Just use the model console in Perplexity to be able to access to these amazing AI models. And of course, you can download the document to your computer. You can use it on your next project. So I guess, yeah, that's the workaround to be able to use the model console feature on Perplexity. And remember, we are using the computer feature, so there is a limit. Now, for me, I actually just got the credits from my Pro subscription because I think Perplexity is running a sort of promotional marketing. So if you subscribe to the Pro version, you'll get some amount of credits that you can use on Perplexity Computer. But I don't know how long they will keep giving away free credits to be able to use this feature. But anyway, at least I'm happy that I got an access to this feature, which otherwise would cost me $200 a month. So if you like this video, then consider subscribing to this channel. And if you want to see other cool things that you can do with AI, then check out this video up here, and I'll see you there.